Alright, maar gelukkig rekord ons nou die les vir hulle. Okay, so julle nou stil bly, ons gaan nou begin. Okay, die eerste leerder A, hulle sê nie name by nie, maar leerder A het daai hoeveelheid toetse geskryf en dit is hoe sy punte of haar punte gelyk het. Nou die eerste ding wat hulle vir jou vra is om die gemiddeld te bereken, or in English the mean. Okay, how do we do that again? Yes. Alright, so it's the total divided by the quantity. So dis die totaal gedeel deur die aantal of die hoeveelheid. Okay. So first, what was the total of all those numbers added together? 71. 79, okay, sorry. And there was 13 tests written. Okay, so wat kry julle as die gemiddeld? Like the answer 0 or just 6,0? Kyk gou weer.
Is that possible?
That it is 6, yeah, it can be 0. Yeah, no, it can't be 0 because obviously it has to be an average amount. Okay. Alright, wie het 6,08 gekry? Okay, great, julle. Nou, begin ons met die opsomming. Okay, so the first thing that's easy to do is the minimum and the max. So the minimum was obviously 1 and the max was 10. Okay, dan werk ons, dit sal ek beter weet om by die middel te begin dan. So wat was die middelste getalletjie daar? 8. Okay, and then what was Q1? 1. And Q3? 9. Okay, want sien, hy is tussen die 1 en die 2. Alright, so ek stem saam. Okay, and then Q3 is then 9, because it's between 8 and 10. Okay, nou moet ons hierdie ouetjie teken. Okay, so I'm just going to draw this in another way. Instead of the two straight lines for the min and max, you can also use a dot. So ek gaan dit net vir julle wys, maar as jy nou reguit lyntjie gebruik het, dis ook reg, right? So vir die minimum begin ons dan nou hierso by 1. Ja? Yes, I will. Hallo, kom maar gou binne. Okay. No, just the minimum and maximum point can be dots. Okay, so dit sal dan nou jou kolletjies wees, of daai twee kan nou reguit lyntjies wees. Dan het jy jou Q1 wat nou 1,5 is, so dit is min of meer hierso, dis baie naby aan die minimum. And then you have your Q2 here at 8, and you have your Q3 at 9. Okay, so dan maak jy net jou boksie. En dit trek julle natuurlik met 'n liniaal en nie vryhand soos ek nie. And obviously when you draw your timeline, not your timeline, but the number line, please do that with a ruler, okay? Want dit moet akkuraat wees asseblief. No, that would be fine. Yeah. I would say start at 0 because there is a possibility that you could get 0 for a test. So that's why I would say start at 0. Okay. Okay, is almal nou reg met die? Oh, the marks. Okay, so you would get, it depends on how lenient they are with this, but you would get 1 for the minimum and maximum, 1 for the Q1 and 3, and then 1 for the Q2. Okay, so you would get 3 marks for this, I would say. Okay. Then obviously, say for example, if your Q3, if your Q3 was wrong, then, but your Q1 is right, then obviously you can't get that 1 mark. Okay. Dan ga ek nou gedink ons het direk. Wat het nou daar gebeur? Julle het dit gesien? You saw that? Okay. I can't make it glitch. Okay, now the next one, let's do it again. Okay, ons almal weet nou waar die gemiddeld vandaan kom. Wat het julle gekry as die totaal? 87. 87.
Divided by 12. And the answer is 7.5.
Okay, who got that? Great. Yeah, but now you don't have to say percent because it's not an average. percentage.
Okay, so we don't.
No, you don't have to say percentage. That's just the average one. Okay. If it was in percentage form, but remember this is a mark. So this is the average mark. Okay. Die minimumwaarde is steeds 1, die maximum is steeds 10. Okay, then what was your Q1 here?
1. I mean, 6.
6.
Sorry, man.
And then your Q2? 8. And your Q3? 10. Ooh, so dis nou interessant, né? Jou maksimum waarde en jou Q3 is dieselfde. Okay, so ek gaan hom nou weer streepies gebruik. So ek gaan weer begin by die minimum, wat dan nou hierso is by 1. Dan jou Q1 is hierso by 6. En jou Q2 is by 8. En dan jou Q3 en jou maksimum is by 10. Natuurlik gaan daar dan nie 'n ekstra lyntjie wees nie. Jy gaan net jou boksie maak hierso. And then this line. Okay, so this is how this graph is going to look like. Want obviously, jy kan dit daar 'n streepie maak soos dat jy blou raak, maar waartoe moet jy nou die ander streepie trek? Ek bedoel, dis dieselfde punt. Right, yes. Yes. Okay, nee, julle het dit verkeerd gedoen. Kom ons doen dit net gou oor. I'm just going to show you what you did wrong. So I'm just going to write out the whole thing so that you can see where you made your mistake. So it's 1, 2, 6, 8, 8, 8. Another 8, 8, 8. Yeah, no. And then 10, 10, 10. Okay, so obviously your Q2 is right. Okay, dit is reg, want daar is net 8 in die middel. Daar's mos nou die lyntjie vir in die middel. So if you add those two together, you would get 16 divided by 2 is still 8. Okay, so dit is reg. Julle minimum en maksimum waarde is ook reg, maar wat julle moet in ag neem as jy die middelpunt moet bereken nie, van Q1. If you want to calculate this, you have to start there already. So what would be the midpoint there?
14.
Yes, so it's 7. Do you guys see there's 6? No, no. You start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So sien julle daar moet dan nou 'n 7 wees in die middel eintlik. Okay, and the same with the other side as well. Because 6 plus 8 is 14, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. And you can also just see it because between 6 and 8 is 7. Okay, and then here, what do you think would be the average there? 9. Okay, so dit is ook om Q3 9. So ek sê, ek dink julle sal sulke motonsnaar diagram op julle sommer sien. Okay, kom ons kyk gou like hy. Dis dan 1, 7, 8, 9 en dan 10. En ek gaan dit weer herhaal, asseblief julle gebruik 'n liniaal om dit akkuraat te doen.